I wanted to do a hair tutorial using this. This is from Revlon. It's the Perfect Heat Tourmaline Ceramic 3-barrel Jumbo Waver. It's this. I got this from Walmart. I think it was like 19. Oh no, I lied. It was like $24 or something like that. No, it was 19. It was 19. So basically you get waves in your hair, so I wanted to try it. And I have a lot of hair. I actually had my hair in waves before, but what happened was I took it out, then I slept on it, then I didn't wrap it. So yeah, anyway, so I have all this hair that I need to do, and I'm going to be using this. This goes all the way up into 420 degrees, and I probably had to do this using small parts. Yeah. So right now I have on a closure. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have on this closure, and what I'm going to take is to lay my edges down a little bit at the front. I'm going to take this passion fruit control paste. I already went through a bottle of this, but I don't know, this stuff, I feel like none of this stuff works for me anymore. I don't know if my hair is getting more rough or what. I have no idea, but I'm just going to place that on my edges in the front just a little bit. I mean, when the heat gets to my hair, it's like it's a done deal. This stuff melts and it breaks me out a little bit, so I use very, very, very. Now this gets really hot. I've already used it, so yeah. And the good thing about this, it has like this little clip right here, so you can just kind of pop it on and pop it off. But yeah, the only thing I don't like about that clip being right here is if you press it down too low, it turns off the machine, like if you're really heavy-handed. So just be careful. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, so just hold on to it, and I'll probably hold on to it for probably like 15 seconds. See how it's already in here? Yeah, that's how I like it. So and then what I do is I make sure I don't redo the same bend because it's already been applied with heat. So where this part ends, just go down to the next part. And this stuff gets really, really hot, so you want to be careful. And there you go, a nice crimpled wave. So I'm going to speed up through the rest of it, and you guys can just enjoy the music. So I'm done, right? I started at 1:53 in the afternoon, and it's 2:33 now. This is the hair with the waves and stuff like that. I do like the product, but if this is for a get ready with me school video, if you're the type of person that just throws on mascara and goes out the door, little makeup, like minimum like I have on, I won't use this product. I mean, it is pretty, but I feel like I can get this with doing something else. But I'll show you guys the back. That's it. That's everything for the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and if you guys have any video requests, make sure you leave them down below, and I'll check you in my new video. Bye.